Welcome back in this session. In this session, we are going to understand Jenkins job triggering, and this trigger will be based on the schedule. So I want to trigger my job in specific schedule time. So I want to run the multiple times in the same repetitive flow. So if I want to run my job in each day at 5 p.m. or at the specific time, so we can do that using the Jenkins schedule. So let's try to understand how to schedule job in Jenkins. So let's go to the configure job. So in configure job, we will find the option in build trigger, that's build periodical. So here we have to pass the configure how to schedule. So basically schedule works on the based on the Linux cron job. So it takes, you can find here the help, it takes this format, that's a minute, hour, um, day of month, and the month, and the day of the week. So this 5 format it will basically use. Here all the helps given, you can find this helps from here also. So basically if I want to run every 15 minutes, you can use this format. So here it's mentioned here every 15 minutes we run this job. So let me copy this job here. So once you move from this job, it will give the suggestion over here. So let me close this help. Okay, so it will give the suggestion is here. So it will run the next 15 minutes. It's at 2:30, it will run the 2:45. So it's after 15 minutes. So if I want to run this job in each minute, so it will run each minute. You can see here, let me move from here. So it's now 2:30, it will run the 2:30, 3:30. So this will run the each hour, not each minute. So for each minute we have to run this. Sorry. Okay. So this will run the each minute. So it's 2:30, it's a 2:30. So let's uh, save this one and let's try to understand how it getting run. Let me go for my project. Okay, so currently no build is created, so it will trigger in a minute. So my first job is triggered. You can see the time is the 2:39. We will wait for the one more minute, will trigger another job. So second job is also trigger. You can see the time is the 2:40 p.m. So this job is continuously triggering. Let's go back again, understand the configure if we want to change anything else related to the cron job. So this is the mark each minute. So I'm just removing this one tag. So this is the basically minute time, the first hour. Second is the hour. So if I want to run the 10 a.m., so you can see it will be run on 10 a.m. So this is the suggestion where it will be run 10 a.m. So if I want to run next, I'm changing again. So you can see here it will run on the 10 a.m. on date of 10. So this is the things. The third one is the day of the month. Let's go for the next one. Here I'm passing the 1. It will run the each month, start of the month. The first month is the January. Each month it will run on the 10 a.m. Let me remove this one. And if I want to run on specific day, so first day 10 a.m. So you can see it will be run on the Monday, so the first day. So let's change the third, it will run on the Wednesday. So this is the week of the day. So the format is the same, which we can easily understand. The minute you can pass 0 to 59, in hour you can pass 0 to 23, the day of month you can pass 1 to 31, in the month you can pass 1 to 12, and the day of week you can pass the 1 to 0 to 7. So this is a very easy format, you can understand. Here also help also given, and the suggestion while you configure it will also suggest the time of trigger. If you made any mistake, it will also show the mistake. So your format syntax is the error.